Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Luqman Hossain, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to take an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence, assertive to imperative and assertive to exclamatory. In our previous two lectures, we have talked about affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. I hope you have understood our previous topics. Now in our today's topic you will get the idea about how to change an assertive sentence into imperative and assertive sentence to exclamatory. First of all, we need to be introduced with our imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? The sentence which starts with main verb or starts with never or starts with do not or starts with please or kindly or let or let's, that is known our imperative sentence. So there are 6 ways an imperative sentence can be, but whenever you are asked to change your sentence from assertive to imperative, then you need to follow some rules and regulation according to English grammar. So this is our very short and easy topic. I hope you will understand very easily. Okay, let's see our today's discussion first. First of all, you can see some rules here given. First of all, rules 1, affirmative sentence short. If your affirmative sentence or assertive sentence is used with short, then this short will be omitted and this subject also be omitted, and you should write from verb. You should start from verb, then the rest of the part. If I say you should watch our online class, my sentence is, this is example of assertive sentence, you should watch our online classes. You are asked to change this sentence into imperative. How will you change? The structure says this, you should start from verb, then the rest of the part. What is verb here? You, this is subject, is not verb. Should, this is not our principal verb, this is our modal auxiliary. Next one is watch. Yes, this is our main verb, so you have to start from here. So just omit these two words and start writing from watch. First of all, write watch. Watch. Next one is our. Watch our online classes. Start writing from main verb watch, then the rest of the part of the full sentence. Watch our online classes. Okay, this is now imperative sentence. So the rules you have followed here. First of all, you have written verb. Secondly, the rest of the part. But you must remember that in our imperative sentence you can't use any subject. Okay, you always start writing verb. Okay, next one, number 2, affirmative sentence, I request you or ought to or advise. If this type of word is given in your affirmative sentence and then you are asked to change this sentence into imperative, then just start writing please or kindly, as this expression denotes a request, a polite sentence, denotes a request sentence. So start your imperative writing please or kindly. Let's see how to change. I request you to subscribe our channel. I request you to subscribe our channel. So first of all, due to this word, omit this word and this word will be replaced by only please. Okay, right here please. Then write the rest of the part. Please subscribe our channel. I hope you have already subscribed our channel. Okay, next one, assertive sentence used in negative mode. If your assertive sentence is in negative mode, then just use do not first, then verb, then the rest of the part. If your assertive sentence is in negative mode, just use first do not, then the rest of the part. First of all, if I say you do not turn off your mobile data now, you do not turn off your data mode now. So just omit this one. subject. You know that in our imperative sentence you can't start writing any subject. So just omit subject, then the rest of the part will be first. Do should be capital letter, do, then the next word do not, then follow the next word, do not turn off your data mode now. Okay, next one. If your sentence, in your assertive sentence, never, the word never is used in your assertive sentence, then start from never, then verb, then the rest of the part of sentence. So just omit this subject. If you are asked to change this sentence into imperative, you have to write first from never here. Just omit these two words, start from here, then write the rest of the part. Never delay to submit HW. My sentence was, you should never delay to submit HW. So your sentence should be here, never delay to submit HW. You know that our imperative sentence is suggestive, like little bit order or advice. That's why you can't use any subject or modal auxiliary also. Your sentence will be started by writing do not in negative mode or never. Okay, next one, number 5, assertive sentence subject. If the subject first person and third person is used in your assertive sentence, again if subject first person or third person is used in your assertive mode, then just start writing using let. Then start writing using let. Which let? L-E-T, let. This is imperative sentence with let. Okay, here my sentence is, he finds a new HW today. You know that at the end of our today's lesson I will provide you an HW. Okay, he finds a new HW today. So start from here. First of all you should write let. Next one, keep in mind that after let the subjective form should be objective. After let the subject will be changed into object. What is the objective form of he? Is him, write him. Let him. Another point need to be noted, you can't use any extra s or es if you use previously let. Okay, so omit s. Let him find a new HW today. The rest of the part follow. This is, we have done our assertive to imperative. Now assertive to exclamatory. This is our next very short topic. Okay, first of all, if your assertive sentence with any article a or n, then use in your exclamatory sentence what a or what n. If there is not given any article, just use how. So your exclamatory sentence will be started by writing what or how. The how will be only when then there is not given any article, but if there is any article a or n, just use what. Okay, first of all check the sentence. It's very easy topic. Check, is there any article given? No, there is not given any article. So we should start writing how. You can change your assertive sentence into exclamatory in two ways, what or another one is how. So as there is not given any article, we should write how first. So write first how, then adjective. What is adjective here? Easy. Easy is adjective. I have written easy. Then noun. What is noun here? Topic. Topic is noun. I have written noun. Then the subject of the sentence. What is the subject of sentence? It. I have written it. And the verb at the end of the sentence, verb should be here. Finally give exclamatory sign. I have given there. Okay, next one is for you. It's a very short topic. Check whether it is given any article or not. Yes, here is an article. So we should write what. First of all write what. Then the article is used a, write a. Then the adjective short. What is short? Then the noun topic, then subject should be it, finally verb, and give question mark at the end of sentence. So what is short topic it is? Okay, next one. If in your assertive sentence I wish, the type of word is given, then you have a choice to use any one from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are given. You can choose any one. You can use any one from here. First of all, had I been, if I were, or were I, or would that I were. From these 4 options, you can use any one. So if I say, I wish I were a Minister of Education. I wish I were a Minister of Education. So just omit this one and write from here anyone. Had I been a Minister of Education, you can say had I been a Minister of Education, or you can say if I were a Minister of Education, or you can say were I a Minister of Education, or you can say would that I were a Minister of Education. So I am selecting here this one. If I were a Minister of Education. Finally give exclamatory sign. Okay, next one. Number 3. It's a matter of joy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 words will be replaced only by one word, that is hooray. When there is a good news, surprising news, then that type of sentence or phrasing word will be changed by only one word, which is hooray, and give exclamatory sign. Let's see an example. It's a matter of joy that our school is opened. It's a matter of joy that our school is open. So due to this, it's a matter of joy that up to here, we can write here hooray, then the rest of the part of sentence. Okay, so my answer is hooray, then give exclamatory sign, and after this, then the rest of the sentence is our school is open. I have written here our school is open. Okay, next one, another example. It's a matter of sorrow that is a bad news or shocking news, then this type of word or sentence will be replaced by alas, an expression word alas. Example, it's a matter of sorrow that our school is closed for a long time. Okay, now due to this sentence, we can write here alas, our school is closed for a long time. The rest of the part. Okay, next one is wish to, desire to, long for, want to. The type of word will be replaced by if first, then subject, then could. Okay, I am writing here, I wish to go to school again. So you can write here, due to this, first of all write if. First of all write if, then write subject. What is subject here? I. Yes, write I. If I, then write could. If I could, then write the rest of the sentence. If I could go to school again. Give exclamatory sign. Okay, we are at the end of our today's class. So I hope you have understood our today's topic. Our today's topic was assertive to imperative, and another one was assertive to exclamatory. First of all, you have to read out the full sentence carefully, then identify what type of sentence is it, then read out the instruction. According to the instruction, you have to change the sentence. If you are asked to change an assertive sentence into imperative, you keep in mind that an imperative sentence starts with direct verb or principal verb, or in negative mood it starts in 2 ways, do not or never, or if it is any requesting sentence, then it can be used please or kindly, or if the subject of third person or first person is used in your assertive sentence, then you should select let in your imperatives mode. On the next topic, our exclamatory sentence, that this some exclamatory sign you have to use at the end of the sentence. The rules you have to memorize, you have to practice a lot to memorize these rules. and keep practicing at home. So now let's see our example of HW. Example of HW is, this is my HW2, and previously I have supplied another example HW. I hope you have already submitted. My first example is, I wish to be a doctor. I wish to be a doctor. Exclamatory. Change it into exclamatory. Second one, if I had the wings of a bird, change it into assertive. If I had the wings of a bird is assertive. Okay, number 3, you should speak the truth. Imperative. Change it into imperative. He plays cricket. Change it into imperative. Please drink a lot of water. Change it into assertive. So do assign HW in your HW copy and submit on Sunday and collect next Sunday. So I hope you have understood our today's lesson. Keep practicing at home. You know that grammar is a type of subject which depends a lot of practice. So practice at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.